Hello children, in this video let's see how to draw a cute frog. First let's draw the top of the frog. Let's give some decorations. Let's draw a heart and then let's draw a big frog. This is a cute balloon like frog. Now let's draw some hearts in each of the frog. Great. Now I'm going to use this marker and make it more attractive. Now it's coloring time. Red coloring. Let's color the top of the frog with orange color. Light blue color, yellow color and brown color. Let's color it with the rainbow colors. This is red color. This is orange color. Next color is yellow color. What is the next color, children? Yes, light green color. Light blue color.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And
This is pink color.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
And finally, this is green color.
It followed her to school one
Wow,
day.
the frog is ready. Hope you all like the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, children. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.